guys, it's Esther and I'll show you how to draw a turkey. You will need a compass and you will make two circles, one smaller than the other, but they are going to connect at the bottom. Alright, so now let's make the face. So the beak, it's a weird shape, bubbly shape at the nose and the mouth. Alright, now let's create a guideline for the head, and now the eyes with two circles inside of them, and then outline the pencil line. Okay, so now for the neck, it's just a long little tube. And then I'm just gonna make dots to know where the feathers are gonna be, and we're gonna create the same dots that we make on the outside on the inside, and then make the bumps. Alright, now each dot connect it, and we're gonna make two sections, well, three sections, adding two more bumps on each feather. And then the wings at the bottom, I'm just gonna add another feather on top, and the legs have three little fingers, so add three bumps. And you can add more details, so I'm just gonna draw a straight line out for the feathers and little feathers, fluffy feathers on his stomach. Okay, second to last, we are going to erase all the pencil marks. So get your pencils, colors, crayons ready. So I'm just gonna color the whole turkey light brown, and then I'm gonna go over with a darker brown and shade some parts that I wanted to go darker. And I'm just doing it lightly. If you want it to be more darker, go ahead and do it like that. And then the beak and the feet are going to be orange. The middle of the feathers, I'm gonna do yellow. And also the first layer of the feathers. Let's do those orange. And then red, the tip of the feathers. Alright, that's our turkey. So if you draw your own turkey, go ahead and tag me on Instagram or Facebook. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.